let's begin with the images that came in with the devotees who were lining up for darshan at the Bhashma Shankar Mandir days after it was reopened following its discovery during an anti-encroachment drive in UP Sambhal. Yesterday being the first Tuesday, a large number of devotees who visited the mandir and joined the first prayers since its reopening. The temple that was reopened last week after being shut for nearly 46 years, and during the digging at the well as well that has been discovered at the temple premises, the authorities found 3 broken idols as well. Let's play out a ground report on the devotees are turning up to the temple in large numbers.
46 years, this temple was closed. The family we had been talking to, they lost their livelihood. Somehow they were able to save their family members, free from this place. Many more families left this place. That triggered displacement of Hindus from this region. After 46 years, you can see, once again, there's a smile on their faces. You can see, there are tears in their eyes, smile on their faces, because that narrates the story of devotion, that narrates the story of sentiment, that narrates the story of connect with this temple. Because for 46 years, it was a big lock that was hanging on the temple. Finally, the locks have been opened, thrown away. The doors have been opened. Temple is thrown open for the devotees. And see, these youngsters, these elderly people, everybody here offering prayers. So it's a big day for them. It's a very emotional moment for them. It's an emotional connect for them. It's an emotional connect between Shiva and its devotee.
Well, several of the survivors that we spoke to of the 1978 communal riots in Sambhal also turned up to offer puja at the temple. Speaking to Times Now, they recounted the horrific events which forced them to move to other areas. Let's listen in to one such family saying that they are happy to be back.
78 में ऐसी चली नफरत की आंधी, छूटे अपने टूटे सपने, जल गए कई घर बार और उजड़ के कई परिवार. Right now I'm joined by the Stoki family. They have suffered a lot during 1978 riots. I'll be talking to them and trying to find out how really they are feeling coming over to this place again after 46 years. 46 साल के बाद उस गली में आना, जिस गली में कभी आप गुजर बसर आपका रहता था.
मैं रहता था यही मंदिर के 15 कदम पे पास में ही मैं रहता था.
कैसा लग रहा है 46 वर्ष बाद
इसमें? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. शासन प्रशासन और भक्त लोगों का सहयोग देखकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इस वक्त.
ये वही मंदिर था जहां आप कई बार प्रार्थना करते थे?
हाँ, ये मंदिर वही था. यहाँ मैं इसकी सफाई करता था, पूजा भी करता था जन्माष्टमी पे, शिव तेरस वगैरह पे.
तो क्या हुआ 1978 में ऐसा? 1978 में क्या ऐसा हुआ?
1978 में दंगा हुआ था.
उसके बाद
सन 79 में मैं ये मकान छोड़ के और सोनारो गली चला गया.
और फिर उसके बाद कभी यहाँ नहीं आया?
मैं फिर यहाँ नहीं आया.
काफी डर का माहौल?
ऐसे आता जाता रहता था. बस घर था मेरा, तो आता जाता रह रहा था. फिर घर बेच दिया तो फिर एक आध दफे आया, फिर नहीं आ पाया.
तो आज जब ये मंदिर का दरवाजा खुला है, आप यहाँ मंगलवार के दिन आप यहाँ पे आए हैं प्रार्थना करने के लिए, आपको लगता है कि अब सब मंगल ही मंगल होगा?
हाँ, सब बढ़िया लग रहा है. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है.
बहुत काफी भावुक क्षण होगा.
हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. बहुत खुशी हुई है हमें इस बात को देख के.
उस समय सब कुछ बिखर गया था एक पल के लिए जब आपकी दुकान जल गई थी. वो मैंने देखा फोटोग्राफ भी आप लाए हुए हैं उसका कुछ, जो आज आप आए हैं. ये मंदिर में भी आप ये फोटोग्राफ लेके गए थे?
ये दुकान का फोटो है मेरी.
अच्छा. You can see he is carrying the photograph in his hand, and this shop was set ablaze by rioters on that particular day.
Well, let's